An important announcement from HDFC Bank. A giant interest rate for your fixed deposit that you deposit this month. Enjoy special interest rates based on deposit amount and the government security. Call 0718 800 999. HDFC.
In a few moments, the news.
A giant interest rate for your fixed deposit that you deposit this month. Enjoy special interest rates based on deposit amount and the government security.
This is the Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation.
The time is 1:15. This is the Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation. The news edited by Catherine Pereira and read by Soundithavam. Minister Mahinda Amaravira points out that the government's future program will be accelerated with the passing of the 20th Amendment. The number of corona cases from the Diula-Pittiya cluster rises to 2,817. The Health Minister says that there is no acceptable evidence that the spread of the coronavirus in the Brandix cluster was from the Sri Lankans who arrived from India. Zaharan's wife at the Presidential Commission on Investigations on the Easter Sunday attack. In world news, France extends overnight curfew as corona cases surge. Minister Mahinda Amaravira says that the new constitution will be brought in next year. The government's move will be accelerated with the victory of the 20th Amendment to the Constitution. 2,817 COVID-infected persons have been reported last night from the Diula-Pittiya COVID cluster. 309 COVID virus cases were reported yesterday. The Government Information Department has announced that there are 24 associates and the staff of the Brandix Institute in Minuangoda who are in quarantine centres. 188 infected persons from the Paliagoda Fish Market and another 97 associates were identified. Meanwhile, the Epidemiology Unit of the Health Ministry says that the count of the overall corona-infected persons has risen to 6,287. 271 persons are receiving treatment at hospitals. 3,561 persons who have recovered have left hospitals. The 14th death due to COVID-19 was reported yesterday. 167 persons at the Brandix cluster have left for their houses after completing the quarantine process. Parliament was adjourned until the 3rd of next month. The proposal in this regard has been presented by Parliamentarian Anurakumara Dissanayake. The debate on the spreading of the corona epidemic in society is being held. Answering a question raised by Anurakumara Dissanayake on the spread of the corona cluster of the Brandix Institute, Minister Pavitra Wanyarachchi stated that there is no acceptable evidence that the virus spread from the Sri Lankans who had arrived from India. She also emphasised that all the Sri Lankans of the Brandix Institute who arrived from India have been in quarantine in a systematic way. Parliamentarian Anurakumara Dissanayake further stated that only the relevant authorities of those institutions can give the correct verdict in this regard on the spread of the virus. Minister Dinesh Gunawardena has presented a proposal to select members to the Government Finance Working Committee. A vote was conducted to pass this proposal in Parliament. 87 voted in favour of the proposal and 17 were against it. The proposal was approved by a majority of 70 votes. The wife of Zaharan Hashim, the ringleader of the Easter Sunday terror attacks, and 4 others have been remanded until the 4th of November. The order was delivered by the Colombo Fort Magistrate Priyantha Liyanage when the Criminal Investigation Department produced the suspects before court. National Tawheed Jamaat NTJ leader Zaharan Hashim's wife arrived at the police unit at the Presidential Commission of Inquiry PCOI, probing the Easter Sunday attack for the second day. This news broadcast comes to you from the Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation.
A giant interest rate for your fixed deposit that you deposit this month. Enjoy special interest rates based on deposit amount and the government security. Call 0718 800 999.
Plans have been made to chant Ratana Sutra from 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. today in every viharya in the island. This has been organised by the Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation and the Cultural and Religious Affairs Ministry. This programme will be carried out to bless the country and the people. The SLBC is ready to bring the live broadcast of the chanting of the Ratana Sutra from the Abherama Viharya in Narayanpeta and the Valukarama Viharya in Kolpiti. The appeal court informed today that the verdict will be announced on the 13th of next month regarding the appeals filed by Lalit Veeratunga and Anusha Palpita, who were on bail. This was revealed when convening the petitions of appeals before the appeals court panel of judges Kumudini Vikramasinghe and Devika Abeyratna. Justice Minister Ali Sabri says that the government should act to manage the mandate received to pass the 20th Amendment to the Constitution. The narcotics and the underworld should be eradicated completely. He made these comments participating in the Subharati program of the SLBC today. That's local news.
An important announcement from HDFC Bank. A giant interest rate for your fixed deposit that you deposit this month. Enjoy special interest rates based on deposit amount and the government security. Call 0718 800 999. HDFC.
A mother knows the pain of each member of the family. Siddhalepa, the trusted relief for aches and pains.
An effective therapy for relief from cold, sneezing, flu, headaches, swelling due to toothaches, rheumatic, discomforts, and muscular aches and pains. Siddhalepa, the Veda Mahatmya in every home.
The main news story is brought to you by Siddhalepa Veda Mahatmya.
The Wildlife Conservation Department has emphasised that it is a punishable offence under the Animal and Plant Security Act to release garbage to the wildlife forest cover. The department further stated that stern legal action will be taken against the offenders. That was the main news story.
The main news story was brought to you by Siddhalepa Veda Mahatmya.
Brush your teeth twice a day for healthy teeth and gums. Supiriviki and Kakulu, your trusted brands in oral care for many years.
Supiriviki Ayurvedic toothpaste for adults. Kakulu Ayurvedic toothpaste for kids. 9 Ayurvedic ingredients of Supiriviki will protect your teeth and strengthen your gums. Supiriviki and Kakulu, products from Siddhalepa.
Focusing on Watchlight, the devotees say that the road to the historical Sri Mahanama Viharya of Mahagama is in a severely dilapidated condition. Due to this, the devotees and the tourists who arrive cannot visit the Viharya. Therefore, they request the relevant authorities to renovate this road immediately, and that came to you in Watchlight. On to world news in the headlines, France extends overnight curfew as corona cases surge. Australia child abuse, police arrest 44 suspects and rescue 16 children. Over 47 million early votes cast ahead of the US election. France will extend an overnight curfew to dozens more areas in a bid to slow the spread of the coronavirus. Prime Minister Jean Castex has announced. The second wave is now underway, he said, shortly before the country announced a record 41,622 new cases. Countries around Europe are struggling with rising infection rates. France, Italy, Spain and the UK are all hotspots. Quote, the coming weeks will be hard and the number of deaths will continue to rise. Unquote, Mr. Castex told a press conference yesterday. Over the last 24 hours, France recorded 162 more deaths. The Australian police have arrested 44 men across the nation on suspicion of possessing and producing child abuse material. 16 children had been removed from harm in the process, the Australian Federal Police said. The arrests followed a year-long investigation into images and videos that were shared online. Arrests of the suspects, all aged between 19 and 57, were made in every Australian state, and the police laid a total of 350 charges, all related to possessing or producing child exploitation material. The men had allegedly used a cloud storage platform to share the abuse. Over 47 million people have already cast ballots in the US presidential election as of yesterday, according to the Associated Press. The figure, including mail-in ballots, is reportedly about 80% of the total early vote count for the election. The southern state of Virginia saw the number of early votes more than double from the previous election. A large number of people visited polling stations in the state yesterday. A man who finished voting said the first televised presidential debate showed him which candidate is better. He added that firmly convinced him. Back to the headlines of the world news. France extends overnight curfew as corona cases surge. Australia child abuse. Police arrest 44 suspects and rescue 16 children. And over 47 million early votes cast ahead of the US election. And that concludes this broadcast of World News.
Development News is brought to you by...
When Aya bought a motorbike, he bought 2 helmets. So sweet of him. I'm sure the other one is for me.
In whatever we do, we Sri Lankans are always thinking of others. When we get Munchie Super Cream Crackers, they're not just for ourselves. Munchie Super Cream Cracker. Super kiyanne nikan නෙවෙයි.
The road development work under the Saubhagya Dakma program will be initiated in the Badula district tomorrow. Accordingly, 100,000 kilometers of roads will be developed. Plans have been made to begin in Bogada in Haliella tomorrow morning. 540 million rupees will be spent for the development work. That came to you in our segment of development news.
When Tati bought a new family car, it wasn't just for the 4 of us.
It's a 10-seater van. Enough for friends and relatives too.
Mummy insisted on building an extra room in our new house.
Well, you never know who'll come to stay. We need more pillows too.
When I was studying late, Nangi would come by to help.
No, I don't know physics, but I do know you need a Munchie Super Cream Cracker.
In whatever we do, we Sri Lankans are always thinking of others.
When we get Munchie Super Cream Crackers, they're not just for ourselves.
Munchie Super Cream Cracker. Super kiyanne nikan නෙවෙයි.
Sports News is brought to you by
Munchie Chocolate Cream Biscuit. Chocolate in every bite.
Another match of the IPL tournament will be played in Sharjah tonight. The Chennai Super Kings and the Mumbai Indians will be playing. Meanwhile, Delhi Capitals team is in the forefront of the marking table. Royal Challengers Bangalore team is in the second place and the Mumbai Indians are in the third place. All 3 of the world's top-ranked 2020 players have signed on for Australia's Big Bash League, with Afghan spin king Rashid Khan yesterday confirming his return to the Adelaide Strikers. That's sports news. We look at business news next.
Hey guys, we've got our very own Queen Bear here to review something for us.
Okay, here we go. Is the right amount of crunch and OMG so much chocolate. The texture is so good. It's creamy and velvety and just so much chocolate. The packaging is super cool and new and there's like so much chocolate. And OMG, the taste, it tastes like so good and there's so much chocolate. Like with every bite. 10 out of 10 for me.
Munchie Chocolate Cream Biscuit. Chocolate in every bite.
Empower your dreams with NSV Wings. NSV Wings. Recharge the high goals.
Business News, sponsored by National Savings Bank, the safest place for your money.
The Sri Lankan insurance industry achieved a growth rate of 8.6% in terms of overall gross written premium for both long-term and general insurance business sectors in 2019. The total GWP income for both sectors was 196,513 million rupees compared to 180,880 million rupees in 2018, recording an increase of 15,633 million rupees. That's business news. Economic news up next.
Business News, sponsored by National Savings Bank, the safest place for your money.
The wait is over and it's time for you to experience happiness. It's time to remap the draft for success. It's time to rebuild your empire. It's time to initiate your entrepreneur dreams. Empower your dreams with NSV Wings. Get your 2-year personal loan for just 7% per annum, starting from 500,000 rupees to 10 million rupees. All you need is just one guarantee. NSV Wings. Recharge the high goals.
Economic news, courtesy of Congratulations on your promotion. It will be our treat, huh?
How about today?
Oh no, I was just joking.
It's fine. I have my LOLC credit card with me. Let's go out today.
Introducing LOLC Finance Credit Cards. Fuel the goodness in you.
The Ceylon Chamber of Commerce will be organising the 20th Sri Lanka Economic Summit on December 1st and 2nd at the Shangri-La Hotel, Colombo. The Sri Lanka Economic Summit 2020, the premier economic forum this year too, will have a lineup of timely plenary discussions under the theme Roadmap for Takeoff, Driving a People-Centric Economic Revival. And that's economic news.
Hello, Puta. Did you land already?
We're in transit and our flight got delayed.
How is Shani? Poor thing with her pregnancy.
Calm down, everything is sorted. Why, I have my LOLC World Card with me. We are at the VIP lounge. LOLC Finance Credit Cards. Fuel the goodness in you.
Taking a look at the weather report, the Met Department says showers or thundershowers will occur at several places in the eastern and Uva provinces and in the Mullaitivu district after 2 p.m. The general public is kindly requested to take adequate precautions to minimize damages caused by temporary localized strong winds and lightning during thunder showers. Several spells of showers will occur in the western and Sabaragamuwa provinces and in the Galle, Matara, Kandy and Nuwara area districts. To end this news broadcast, a recap of the headlines. Minister Mahinda Amaravira points out that the government's future program will be accelerated with the passing of the 20th Amendment. The number of corona cases from the Deulapitia cluster rises to 2,817. The health minister says that there is no acceptable evidence that the spread of the coronavirus in the Brandix cluster was from the Sri Lankans who arrived from India. Zaharan's wife at the Presidential Commission on Investigation on the Easter Sunday attack. And France extends overnight curfew as corona cases surge.